Hi friends, I am Desigo from Royal Vidyalaya. Now we are going to learn about land, soil and water. Let's start.
Water. Let's see about what is water, distribution of water, conservation and management of water. Water. What is water? Water is one of the most important factors that influences the life of organisms. Water is required by humans, plants and animals for their survival. Humans need water for their daily needs like cooking, drinking. Distribution of water. Our Earth is called the blue planet as 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water, mostly in the form of oceans and seas. Amount of water in oceans is 97.3% and the amount of fresh water is 2.7%. Only about 1% of fresh water is available for human use. Fresh water is the most important substance on the earth. Water is constantly in motion due to evaporation, condensation, and this is called water cycle. Conservation and management of water. Recycling of used water. Water wastage can be reduced by recycling the used water with the help of technology. Rainwater harvesting. It is a very efficient way to conserve water. In this method, rainwater is stored in specially made huge underground tanks and from this water is used as and when required. Proper utilization of water for domestic purposes. Water can be conserved by people by carefully utilizing the water at home. They can check leakage in pipes, can use a bucket of water to wash their car instead of pipe by not leaving the tap dripping water, utilizing the RO waste water for watering plants.
What is land? Land is a very important natural resource. Land covers only about 30% of the total area of the Earth's surface. Uses of land. Land is used for agriculture, factories, houses, buildings, making roads, etc.
Private land. Private land is owned by individuals. Community land. Community land is owned by the community and not by an individual. Landslides. Landslides is a geological phenomenon wherein huge chunks of topsoil of the earth slides down. This happens in hilly areas. Effects of landslides. Landslides can cause severe damage to life and property.
Prevention. Increasing the vegetation is a very effective method to strengthen the soil. So keep growing more plants. What is soil? Soil is an important natural resource which is essential for all living organisms. Soil forms the topmost layer or crust of the earth's surface. It forms slowly. It is a complex mixture of living and non-living materials. It's made up of mineral, humus, living organisms like bacteria and fungus, etc. Layers of soil. Humus. Humus is a decayed remain of plants and animals. Topsoil. The uppermost layer and it is rich in humus. It makes the soil fertilized and provides nutrition to the plants. Subsoil. Subsoil is harder and has less amount of humus and it contains silt and clay. Weathered rocks. It consists of small pieces of rocks. Bedrock. It is the hard layer of rock.
Types of soil. Let's see about what are the types of soil. Alluvial soil. Very fertile soil formed by clay, silt and sand. Present in northern plains and deltas. Black soil. Black is in color. It is sticky and wet. It is mostly found in northwest of peninsular India. Red soil. It is reddish in color due to high iron content, largely found in eastern Deccan Plateau.
Laterite soil. It is a less fertile, porous and brown soil, mainly found in hills of Western Ghats.
Desert soil. It is sand-like loose, porous and coarse soil. It is found in Rajasthan and Gujarat. Mountain soil. It is fertile soil and has a good amount of humus. It is brown in color with good texture, mainly found in the hilly regions of Jammu and Kashmir and Himalayas.
So, save water, save soil, grow more plants and save our earth. Thank you.